Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Fayaz, and basically I'm from India, working in a local bank into audit these days.
Okay. And what are your expertise?
Well, as an auditor, I'm more into auditing,
Mhm.
and apart from that, I'm particularly into Sharia audit, so I'm a
Mhm.
bit into IOF principles
Okay.
as well.
Okay. So, Fiaz, what motivated you to do CIA? What is the importance of CIA for an internal auditor?
Well, for me, the motivation to take CIA because it was my line of work. And secondly, when I was looking through the contents, it was quite well. I mean, it was quite good in the sense like I felt it would be an addition to my job and it could help my job. But after doing it, what I felt was like like most of the stuff what we do, especially at my bank, I could understand that it was complying to the standards,
Mhm.
which is voluntary. But apart from that, what I could understand is there were a lot of elements which I didn't know should be a part of audit, and certain
Mhm.
things which was recently suggested in our department. It was
Mhm.
interesting to know that IIA finds it as one of the mandatory elements,
Okay.
especially like quality management
Mhm.
and things like that.
Okay, Fayaz, while studying, normally students they have a common complaint that they are unable to find any time to do the studies because doing job and family commitments. What do you suggest that how to utilize their time in a best way, keeping in view other responsibilities intact?
Well, answering this question is quite tricky, but I think I can be the right person to reply to this because I was trying to do the CIA like from the beginning of this year.
Mhm.
And well, what I did is I just finished up the lectures quickly, and I was hoping that I'll just sit for a week or two and just catch up. But then what happens is like when you have a bundle pending, you tend to delay it, and you might prioritize other things. So this is what happened to me, and because of that, my CIA level took a bit of time.
Mhm.
But for level 2, what I did was I was going with the lecture. I
Mhm.
mean, whatever was taught in the lecture, I was finishing it off, especially with the practice questions and the
Mhm.
practice exam, everything. I was finishing it at the same time. So, Alhamdulillah, I think in a span of 2 weeks after my level 1 exam, I could, give a shot for the second one,
Okay,
and had cleared it.
good. Fayaz, what do you think? What is the importance of having good knowledge about English language?
It's very much.
Mhm.
From my personal experience, what I can understand is they use a lot of technical jargons.
Mhm.
But I feel sometimes because what happened is when I was doing my level 1, I could come across certain terms which are new to me. But you have the options, and you are familiar with the concept, so it still helps. But I could understand the way of asking was quite high. But again, I
Mhm.
could find that certain technical jargons which were used in the level 1 exam, they were explained in the level 2 or 3 books.
Mhm.
Meaning you can expect some questions from other levels also, whichever level
Okay.
exam you're appearing.
What do you think if you would like to just name few important topics or concepts from part one or part two or both combined together,
Well,
which would have more focus while
uh,
studying?
I think it would be tricky if I name something, but for my exam, at least level 1, I had more of internal control frameworks.
Mhm.
I could remember clearly that most of my questions were from COSO framework.
Mhm. Cost control framework.
COSO control framework,
Okay.
exactly. And level 2, it's tough to say that it's especially from a particular topic, but yeah, even the control frameworks were repeated.
Still there. You found part one or part two more difficult, or both equal?
Part 1 was more difficult for me, especially I had time constraint issues.
Mhm.
Like in the sense you have to finish one question, you're expected to finish a question in 1 minute, 25 seconds or 20 seconds.
Mhm.
So for me, I did have 20 minutes for revision after finishing 125 questions. But the thing was, it was too much of a pressure, I think, or maybe because it was the first time. But second exam was much better for me.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So, how was your experience here in Apex?
Well, it was quite nice in the sense, mashallah, the lecturers are well qualified. But apart from the regular, well said words, what I wanted to say is the whole team is quite flexible,
Mm-hmm.
and mashallah they use the best materials in the market. And at least for the level 1 and 2, I could see that they had mixed questions from various best publishers in the market. And as I said, flexibility, and
Okay.
like they're ready to answer you anytime, which is something like I like.
That's good. That's good. So thanks a lot, Fayaz, for your time,
Anytime.
and we wish you best of luck for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you.